So it's 2024 and you want to learn how to make more money outside of your regular job. Is it a possible thing to do? Has it been done by me? Yes, and countless others. I'm going to tell you what I am currently working on through organic traffic and eventually paid advertisements. Now don't be scared when I say paid advertisement. It's very simple to learn. I learned it in about 2 weeks and I completely understand it. And organic traffic is literally just you posting a video like this currently and clients coming to you through your social media and what you are representing to them, which is your value to them, how you help them, and if you can help them, they will come to you and book in a call with you. That's essentially how organic traffic works. But after you've gotten that organic traffic, what do you need to lead them to? You need to lead them to a offer or a service you are offering those people. Now, it doesn't have to be some fancy business. For me, I offer a one-on-one coaching session, which is a higher, about $1,000 ticket item for people that want to be content creators in 2024 and how they can get started, how I can help them. But even if I can help them, which is why I offer a free 60-minute consultation call, completely free, so I can know where you are, where you want to be, and if I can genuinely help you. But this applies for much more than just me alone by myself with a content creation offer. It can apply to literally anything. If you know how to, say for example, you are good at reading and you are very good at speed reading. Speed reading is a skill that a lot of people will want to learn. I want to learn speed reading, and if I could pay someone a couple $100 so I could finish, let's say, a book a week, that would be fantastic. It goes into much more detail than this. Say for example, you're extremely talented at playing the piano and you're a grandmaster at playing piano, and that you want to get students, or you want to teach students how to actually start playing piano and get progressively better over the years to come. Your service or your business can literally be teaching people how to play the piano. And for people that want to play piano, whether it's the kids themselves or the parents that want their children to play piano, they can find you through organic traffic that you've built. Let's say that you are teaching, I don't know, a very basic song, or what you're teaching is a very complicated song, or some form of teaching people how to play the piano, whether it be different keys, how to identify keys, where your finger placement should be, or anything like that. You can make videos about probably hundreds of different things and post it onto TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all those social media platforms. And at the end of every single video, you can be like, hey, I'm offering a one-on-one coaching for the next, say, 30, 60, 90 days. It's at this price. If you're interested, book in a free call and I can talk to you about it, and we can have a discussion, see if I can generally help you, see if you're actually interested in playing the piano and what you can offer these people. Once again, if you're interested in starting your own social media marketing agency through selling a service, me or comment the word below, which is coaching, and I definitely get in touch with you. Have a 1 hour free call with me, no pressure whatsoever. See you then.